TikTok has become one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, and it offers multiple ways for creators to earn money. If you're wondering how to make money from TikTok, you're in the right place. Whether you are a beginner or have been using the platform for a while, there are various strategies you can use to start earning. The first way to earn is through the TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays eligible creators based on their video views and engagement. To qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the Creator Fund and start earning directly from TikTok. Another great way to make money is through brand sponsorships. Many companies are willing to pay TikTok influencers to promote their products or services. If you can build a strong following and engage your audience with quality content, brands will reach out to you for paid promotions. You can also contact brands yourself and offer to promote their products in exchange for a fee. Affiliate marketing is also a popular method to earn from TikTok. This involves promoting products using affiliate links. When someone buys a product through your link, you earn a commission. You can sign up for affiliate programs from websites like Amazon, ClickBank, or Shopify, and then create engaging videos showcasing the products. Adding a link to your bio or using TikTok's shopping features can help drive sales. Live streaming on TikTok is another effective way to earn money. When you go live, your followers can send you virtual gifts, which you can later convert into real money. To maximize your earnings, engage with your audience, provide valuable content, and encourage viewers to send gifts. The more interactive and entertaining your live streams are, the better your chances of receiving gifts. Selling your own products or services is another way to monetize your TikTok presence. If you have a business, you can use TikTok to promote your products, whether they are physical items, digital courses, or consulting services. By creating engaging videos that showcase your offerings, you can attract potential customers and increase sales. You can also earn money by managing TikTok accounts for businesses. Many brands and small businesses want to grow on TikTok but don't know how. If you have experience in content creation and social media management, you can offer your services to help businesses grow their presence on TikTok in exchange for a fee. Finally, you can use TikTok to drive traffic to other platforms where you can monetize your audience. For example, you can direct your TikTok followers to your YouTube channel, blog, or online store. By growing your presence across multiple platforms, you create more opportunities for earning money online. These are some of the most effective ways to earn from TikTok. The key to success is consistency, creativity, and engagement with your audience. Start creating valuable content, experiment with different monetization methods, and build a strong community. With time and effort, you can turn TikTok into a great source of income.